South Africans are tired of waiting on leadership to act on their behalf. South Africans have realized that they have a voice. South Africans have realized their constitutional right to participate in peaceful protests. And we see how these peaceful protests has basically forced the hand of this government to actually act. So with the thousands of buses leaving every day me reading on X and various social media platforms that people are taking up space, that people are becoming drivers for various companies in our country. We see Uber drivers as well. It's more South African drivers on our road. So yes, I'm very pleased by it.
Some people will say this is going to affect our economy. We see that now. Just they did announce that every Thursday they're going to do a march. What's your take on that?
You know what? With everything in this country, it comes at a cost and it comes at a risk. But we cannot sit back and not do anything. We've got to try. You know what? If the economy is impact for 1 or 2 days, so be it. We have to put lives and we have to put children first before anything else. This is about families. This is about South African lives. That is what matters on the day. And it just so happens that on the day, on the 30th of July, I recall watching the news. And while everyone anticipated that, our economy is going to take a dunk and a knock on that day, if anything, the rand actually strengthened.
Just spoke so powerfully to many candidates that joined the election essay today, just mentioning that their political parties have lost more than they might assume that they have. Talk to us on the importance of
you guys
and what sort of mandate would you rather give to them in terms of the way forward and how they should be carrying themselves?
I think our days of being boxed in are over. Our days of being boxed in and we dictated to ended in 1994. We fought for the ideals, we fought for the freedoms that we enjoy today. So to be part of political parties which it takes to their members, that is a complete no. I am grateful that they have found their voices. I'm grateful that they have stood their ground, and I'm grateful that they have joined a party. Not a party for Action SA, not a party for faded freedom, not a party that basically toes party line, but a party that actually serves South Africans. So yes, their parties may have silenced them, but their own voices have given them the courage to actually step forward and serve more from a space of patriotism. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you.